Mga Nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Aiko. I am Gesto. Today's special episode will be all shoutout sa mga subscribers ko. Na po ako mag-shoutout ng mga pangalan na nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. This is based on my analytics sa YouTube ko. And yung iba na hindi ko banggit, I do apologize. Naka-private at naka-hidden po yung kanilang names sa subscribers. I would thank all of you na nag-subscribe at hindi ko nabanggit dito. Thank you so much for trusting, supporting Drinking Nose. Let's start. Shoutout kay Herms Journal. Kay John Vincent Dicina, hello mga beshies. Shoutout kay Tian Ivy, kay Rodolfo Pablasio, Janet Lacson, kay Muddy Bro, Tess ML BB Tess, kay The Real Dale, Rocking Fresh 01, kay Luel Roblico, kay JC Cartago, kay Mix Arceo, ay po kay mahirap ito, Shilayden Schwan, also kay Lakacha ni Barbie, kay Jet Bores, hi po Sir Jet Bores, shoutout sa iyo. Kay Niel de Los Angeles, David Franklin Pauya, hi po kay Mark Vincent Tuero, hi po kay J Conch, Sir Billy Caligdong, shout kay Von Flores, kay Rio Vance de la Cruz, Madel Yebes, kay Anjessel Husa, kay Sir Joseph Agrado, hi po, shout kay Lee Magbanwa, Jessie Bores. Hi po kay Ma'am Jessie Bores. For my next shoutout, ito po yung mga register or naka-notify sa aking Gmail. So, these are all non-particular order. So, let's start with Anjo Diador. Shout din kay Ma'am Chenny Kate Malfarta. Hi po kay Ma'am Chenny. Shoutout kay KD Mactown. Scott Ivan. Kay Mark Spencer Rojas. Ilonggo Tube. Shoutout kay Christine Talion. Kay Chinikit M, kay Jeremy Vlogs, Stoppable shoutouts. Hi po kay Ranmar Justin. Hi, shoutout po kay Nicolas Rosero Jr. Hi po. Kay Kev. Hi po kay Kev. Shoutout sa'yo. And kay Yen Yang. Hi, next shoutout. Ito po yung mga top commenters ko sa aking YouTube channel. Squirtle 871, kay Jay Lazo Vlog, Jocelyn Acol, kay Norse White, kay Queenie May Cernaba, kay Xiao Gantalao, Bernie Ramos, shout kay Bernie Ramos, and last but not the least, si Mori. So thank you so much for trusting, for all the love, for all the support, the recommendations, suggestions, and before I forget, happy 2020 mga Nos, at sana continuous yung view nyo sa aking YouTube channel and for my episodes. As of today, January 2020, meron na po akong 119 subscribers sa Drinking Nose. It's been a privilege and a humble experience to share my own standards and my own knowledge when it comes to milk tea products, coffee, to the teas, and other fruit-based products, especially local shops here in Iloilo. Your Facebook page, I also have 621 likes and also 635 follows. YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, as of October 5, 2019 until January 2, 2020, lahat po ng videos ko sa aking YouTube channel, garnered ako ng 2,051 views. So, thank you so much. I hope na hindi kayo magsawa mag-support. Thank you for watching mga Hanos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Aiko Benjes, so saying bye! Happy New Year mga Hanos!